Well, hello again everybody, welcome back. And today, just for a change, I'm going to try an out of the packet pick. I very rarely do them because they normally fail. So I have a Matlock 5025, which is effectively an American 1100 clone. 38mm aluminium bodied. So these are 6 pinners. So there's the, let's get those keys off and see what this one's like. So bitting on it is quite nice. Are we focusing? Should have picked an easier one to try and pick out of the packet, but there we go. So it's all working, all locked up again. So let's get that in there. So adjust the camera slightly. Try and get all this into the right position so I can actually work with it. Somewhere about there should do the trick. I can turn that slightly. Are we focusing? Yes, we are. So just another quick look at that bitting. Move that again slightly. We need to be about there-ish. Right, and we'll give this one a go. See if we can get in. So let's begin at the beginning. So 1 springy, 2 little click, 3 tiny little click. Looks like we've gone into a full set. Trying to get to the back. I'm going to swivel this a bit. I'm catching the camera. Can we still see? Yep. The reason I don't like doing out of the packet picks is I can't get everything right. We've got counter rotation. That was on 6. And same on 5. And 4. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, counter rotation. And there we go. Got it open. So let's grab a pinning tray in. Adjust all this camera again. And what are we going to need? A screwdriver, hopefully, yes. Unscrew all the gubbins. See if we can get this clip off. There we go. And that should be the right follower. Got it. So there we go. We have 6 pins, anti-drill protection. Let's see what we've got. So we've got steel serrated in 1, brass serrated in 2, brass serrated in 3, brass unserrated in 4 and 5, and a brass serrated in 6. And the core itself, as we can see, get the light on there properly, there is a bit of counter milling on top of each chamber. Let's see what we got up top. So in 1 we have a steel standard. 2 we have, looks like one of those anti-bump pins. 3 we have a spool, quite a nice deep one. 4 the same. 5 the same. And 6 the same. I'm assuming all the pins. No, we actually have a steel pin in there as well, a spring. Should have pulled those out in order. I would imagine that is probably going to be there with that anti-bump pin, because I would imagine that's a stronger spring. Yeah, you can definitely feel the difference, so I'd imagine that goes in there. So, nothing else in the core, I don't think. No. So there we go. Proper look at the pins. So I think pin 2 just looks black because it's colour coded pins, much like the American ones are. So there we go, the Matlock 5025 out of the packet. Anyway, thanks for watching, see you again soon, bye.